I'm sweating my boobs off. It's so hot, my bum's sticking to the chair. I've got a fan on and it's just not doing anything. Like, this is not a glowy setting spray, this is sweat. It's witch casket time. This came a few days ago and I've just been really busy doing stuff, so I haven't opened it. This is my last ever witch casket and I'm so sad. Not ever, hopefully, because hopefully I'll be able to afford it again one day, but there's things in the pipeline for us personally, and I need to save money, so I've just cancelled all my subscription boxes now. I think the only one I'm still getting is Degusta, and that's because I've got a few free ones because you guys have used it. And this is my last ever witch casket and I'm very sad because I love it so much. It's just it's like £29 a month. Travel Magic. Oh, I love it. A little bat. Oh, it's gonna make me sad. So, and as always with witchy kind of videos, if you don't like it, feel free to skip it. I won't be offended. We can't all like the same things. That would be a very boring life if everyone liked the same stuff. So if you aren't into the witchy stuff, I'm not offended if you skip. Go watch something that makes your heart happy. Here's August Witch Casket. This casket is all about travel magic, and we hope the contents will encourage you to take magic with you wherever you go and practice magic out in nature. Please remember to read through the pamphlet so you can familiarise yourself with this month's items. So let's grab the first thing. We've got a print, which is a forest, which is just, that's where I want to live, in a forest, in the mountains. That's what I want to do. Manifesting it. Magic in Nature art print. This magical art print depicting magic in nature was created by our in-house designer especially for you, our subscribers. So that's lovely. That will go on my wall. Ooh, I've got a little bag. This is a travel witchcraft pouch. Stow your small magical items safely and stylishly in our exclusive pouch. Cute. Oh, oh, I've got a little box. What is this? A wooden travel altar. Whether you be headed outdoors to practice your magical surroundings by nature, or you need a small portable altar to take on your travels, this enchanting wooden altar is a witch's must-have. Here's what's inside. A white tea light candle. White can be used for any spell. 2 mini glass bottles for creating spell jars or transporting magical herbs. Talking of spell jars, what I did to my finger earlier on while I was making a spell jar, just a really lovely big blister. Hurts a lot. Clear quartz crystals. Clear quartz can be used to power up any spell, and sandalwood incense cones. Let's have a look. How do we go? Oh my goodness. I absolutely love that. It smells incredible with the incense. That is amazing. Let me just, the lid just slides in. Oh, I love that. That's one of my favourite things I've ever had in Witch Casket. Oh, I'm going to be really sad. Okay, next, I've got a little pouch. Essential crystal set. Our custom pouch carries 4 essential crystals for everyday use. Rose quartz, green aventurine, black agate and bloodstone. So let's have a little look. Oh, they're cute little tumbles. You can see them. So you've got rose quartz, aventurine, black agate and bloodstone. Oh, that's a pretty one. Lovely job. Put them in there. What is next? Oh, a scroll that I've just dropped. I don't know what this is. We'll have a look. This is, everything comes with its own little thing to tell you what it is. So this is a travel safely spell. You will need comfrey leaf, feverfew, white candle, and place the white candle in a suitable candle holder. Encircle the base of the white candle with comfrey leaf and feverfew. Light the candle. As the candle burns, visualise the person you wish to travel safely, yourself or someone else. State the following. This traveller's path is paved with joy, with nothing to take in their stride. No ill fate will travel with them. Good fortune will stay by their side. As the candle burns, visualise the journey, a safe and joyous journey. We got that, lovely stuff for our next adventure. Let me try and get the scroll. We'll pick it up with my toes. You get a scroll every month, which gives you information and whatnot about the theme for the month. So travel magic, and it's always a lovely scroll that you can print, or you can put it into your book of shadows, whatever you want, but that is my one. Next up, I've got a pin. Oh, it's a broom. That's really cute. It says traditional way to travel. This magical besom pin will enhance your jacket, bags or wall displays. Oh, I've got a wooden pendulum here, I think. Is that what you are? This is beautiful. Get out of the little bag. Look at that. And it says, hold the pendulum by the charm and allow it to settle. Ask a yes or no question that you already know the answer to see which way the pendulum swings. That allows you to ascertain the direction of your pendulum to yes or no. So if I hold it steady and I say, are we having nachos for dinner tonight? So side to side is yes, and then if it goes that way, it's no. Lovely, because we are having nachos for dinner. What are you? Oh, it's a little notebook, travel notes, cute, with a little bat. I'm loving the little bat on everything. He is mega cute, sweet. I like him a lot. What are you? This is heavy. What are you? Ooh. Sculpted hand altar dish. Our stunning handcrafted altar dish. Use it for offerings, crystals, herbs and other tiny magical curiosities you need to keep safe when you're working at your altar or in the great outdoors. And then I think that is it, other than my last thing should be a Selenite Obelisk. Free enchanting extra, a gift from us to you. Our selenite is a spiritual stone of calm and peace, an excellent stone to clear the mind and encourage insight and good judgment, which makes them perfect for meditation. Obelisks are energy amplifiers and are used to dissipate negative energies. I'm reading it like this because it's really weird font, so it's really tricky to read unless I read it like that. If you're like, why is she reading like that? That's why. Let's have a look. So it's a selenite. I will put that with my other ones to charge, and then I'll put it out for the next full moon as well. That's beautiful. Oh, I really love that one. I think that might be one of my favourites. The altar. I just love that. I think that's so lovely. Oh, I really want to keep having it. One day you shall be mine again, Witch Casket. That's a warning to you. I'm coming back for you. I'm going to manifest that I can have enough money to continue to buy Witch Casket. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you. Bye.